Dear friends, so far we have studied the color spectrum within the visible range and also the color behavior of the human eye, the theory of light for hue, saturation and brightness. We have also studied the color concept for addition to be used in color TV. Now let us see how these theories are applied to the study of video camera. In a color television camera, the picture enters inside the video camera through the lens and broken into three parts of red, green and blue with the help of this optical system. The pickup devices for red, green and blue converts the image into electrical signal, and after processing in the processor, the video signal come out from the camera and known as a video signal. The process is called encoding. The signal goes inside the TV receiver and produce the original picture by the process of the color addition, as we have already studied. And this is known as a color decoding. There is a difference in the functioning of a video camera and a film camera. Let us go to graphic and study the comparison. In case of film camera, the film reel is exposed inside the camera, and during the film development, the colors of red, yellow and blue are produced, and we get on the screen with the help of projector. Whereas in case of video camera, the image of object reproduced from red, green and blue tubes is processed, and we get the real image on TV screen by addition of the colors. Now we will demonstrate the position of these red, green and blue tube inside the TV camera. To demonstrate the position of tubes inside this camera, first remove these four screws. And remove the side cover. Now you can see the position of the pickup tubes. This is the red, this is the green and this is the blue. To increase your visibility, now I am removing this card also. Now you can see the position of these tubes in the better way, but these tubes are covered with their deflection and focus coil. Therefore, we have brought the real pickup tubes in the studio, which are identical, but we have marked the position. This is a red tube and the sensor is covered by this black cover. This is a green tube and this is blue tube. These are Plumbicon tubes. You have seen the position of pickup tubes inside this TV camera. Now I will explain the basic theory of the three tube camera functioning with the help of this figure. This is the diagram representing the basic theory of the video color camera having three tubes. A color object has been placed in front of the video camera lens. The red filter passes only the red light or the red content of the image and goes to red pickup tube, and the output of the red pickup tube is available in the form of electrical signal as a red. In the similar way, the green filter will pass the green light or the green content of the object, and output is available in the form of electrical signal as a G. In the similar way, the blue tube will get the blue signal and output is available as a B. These outputs are in the form of RGB and are similar as the red received by red tube, green received by green tube, and blue received by blue tube. And the input available to CRT tube is red, green, blue. To form the original picture, these tubes project the image in the form of RGB and the real image is formed. Since the object is very small, therefore we are taking another example of the bigger type in which we can get the output of RGB, and we can show you. This is the original scene which has 4 colors: red, green and blue, and the secondary color yellow. If we see the output of red color, the red comes as red and yellow also comes as red, because yellow is made from red and green, and the green will look as a black. If we see the output of green tube, the green will come as a green, blue will come as a black, and yellow will come as a green. In a similar way, if we see the output of blue tube, blue will come blue, and green as a black, and yellow also as a black, because they do not contain the blue content of the image. You have seen the use of color filters. In the basic theory of the color video camera diagram, that the color filter of red, green and blue, they passes only their respective colors, that goes to the red, green, blue tubes. Now let us see the position and the types of these filters in this diagram. In this diagram, this is the position of optical system, which is also known as a color filter. This color filter or optical system is in between the camera lens and pickup tubes. This optical system may be either dichroic mirror or optical prism. Here in this figure, the position of two-color dichroic mirror is in between the lens and pickup tubes. The incident light go to blue dichroic mirror, in which blue light is reflected while other light passes, and after reflection the blue light goes to blue pickup tube. This is the dichroic mirror for the red filter, in which red light is reflected while the green passes, and after reflection this red light goes to red pickup tubes. This way separated the incident light into red, green and blue using two-color dichroic mirror. This is the diagram of the color filter using prism. This is the incident light that after refraction from this prism take out the blue color, and after refraction from this prism red is taken out and the green color come out from the reflection of this prism. This is a composite prism to discriminate lights of different wavelengths. So friend, you have studied the comparison between the film camera and the video camera. You have also been explained that the colors of an object are broken into the signals of red, green and blue. You have also studied the color filters using dichroic mirror and the prism. In the next series of this program, you will study the pickup devices using tubes and CCDs.